Hi friends, I am Samadan and today is my topic from non-technical and today's my topic is what after COVID-19. So in 2019, you know about that the pandemic disease are spread all over the world in 2019. So it is a very dangerous disease at that time. So uh, there are many effects or there are many effects of that diseases felt on all over the world. So we discuss about the what are the effects of COVID-19 after COVID-19. So there are many dangerous effects on our human population. So there are many dangerous effects on our all over the world or our whole country. So we discuss what are the actually that effects was after COVID-19. So there are many effects such as in education field. So in education field there are many effects that many students or many students failures in their goals. So there is a link in between that those years. So at that time that links of education or the of that their goals will all distracted due to the COVID-19. So what are the goals at that time all distracted. I think the period of that disease or the period of that COVID-19 I think is the 2.5 years. So there will be 2.5 years will be the effects of that diseases on whole over the country or whole over the world. So there are many effects on education fields. So many students distract from their goals at that time, and now they are not actually on the path of their goal. So these are the many effects of COVID-19 on education fields. Then next we discuss about diseases. So at that time the time of education COVID-19, there are many diseases spread through the COVID-19 pneumonia. So at that time the from the spread of pneumonia disease at that time the many children are dead at that time, so die at that time. So these are the effects of. So many students are die on that. I think I know about actually the number, but 8 lakhs students actually are died at that time or due to the period of pneumonia or COVID-19. So these are the many dangerous effects of COVID-19 on our. So then if we take an example or we can take next point of economic. So on the economic crisis, so there are many effect on economical crisis, then recession. So economically also the expensive or the what we say the rate of expensive will be increased due to the COVID-19. So there are many stocks of in farming fields such as poultry, then many dairy products are very damages at that time or disturb their lines. So that's why there are the very effects on economical crisis on uh, COVID-19. So there are many dangerous effects of COVID-19 on uh, the COVID-19. So there are many dangerous effects of COVID-19 such as in education field, then economical crisis, recession. So recession are arising at that time. So these are the effect of COVID-19. So many at that time many workers or employment unemployment process actually at that time. So happening. So unemployment happening at that time. So employment is the main factor. So there will be unemployment of many people or persons at that time due to the COVID-19. So it is an example of or effect of many dangerous effects on our human health, such as at that time many people die their life, sacrifice their life or die on that time, COVID-19. So these are the many effects of COVID-19 on society. Then uh, recession in education field, online classes or online learning platform will increase at that time. So offline sources are not available on that situation. So online learning, it is not enough for any students or any students to achieve something knowledge from online learning, because offline learning is better than online learning. So that's why there are many reasons to reduce the confidence of many students on performing or to achieve their goals. So these are the many effects of dangerous effects of COVID-19 on human on all over the world. So it is a, so my opinion is that on my thing. So when I studied in 12th standard, or when I prepare for NEET exam, so at that time I am very distracted at that time, because the COVID-19 period, there is no any all the process or all the classes and cities are closed at that time. So I can't prepare very well at that time, and so I distracted at that. I distract my goal at that situation. So these are the impact of COVID-19 on many people or students. So it is a very dangerous. So the, so I discuss all about the word after COVID.